Welcome to Beautiful Home. If you've ever walked into a living room and instantly felt that quiet sense of luxury, not flashy, not overdone, but calm, warm, and undeniably expensive, that's exactly the feeling we're creating today. An expensive-looking living room isn't about buying the most costly furniture or following every trend. It's about intention. It's about texture, balance, thoughtful details, and knowing which decor pieces quietly elevate the entire space. In this video, I'll share 7 elegant and cozy decor items that designers rely on again and again to make a living room look refined, timeless, and effortlessly luxurious, even on a realistic budget. Layered lighting that creates atmosphere. Nothing ruins an expensive interior faster than harsh overhead lighting. True luxury begins with layered light. Think table lamps, floor lamps, wall sconces, and soft ambient glow working together. Choose lamps with fabric or linen shades rather than glossy plastic. They soften the light and instantly elevate the mood. Warm bulbs are essential. That golden glow makes neutral colors richer, textures deeper, and the entire room feel welcoming. Place lamps at different heights around the room so light feels intentional, not accidental. When your living room glows instead of shines, it feels calm, curated, and expensive. Oversized art or a thoughtful gallery wall. Art is one of the fastest ways to signal sophistication. An expensive living room almost always has confident wall art. That doesn't mean clutter. Often, one oversized piece creates far more impact than many small ones. Abstract art, soft landscapes, or neutral-tone photography work beautifully. If you prefer a gallery wall, keep it cohesive, similar frames, a limited color palette, and breathing space between pieces. Art should feel like a statement, not decoration for decoration's sake. When walls are styled with intention, the entire room instantly feels elevated. High-quality textiles with rich texture. Luxury lives in texture. An expensive living room never feels flat because it layers materials beautifully. Think velvet cushions, boucle throws, linen curtains, and wool rugs. Even when the color palette is neutral, texture adds depth and visual interest. Choose fewer pillows but better ones. Mix smooth with nubby, matte with subtle sheen. Draped throws should look effortless, not folded perfectly. This relaxed richness is what makes a space feel cozy yet refined, the kind of room you want to sink into and stay. A large, well-placed area rug. A rug grounds the entire living room, and size matters more than pattern. One of the biggest styling mistakes is using a rug that's too small. An expensive room always has a rug that properly anchors the seating area, with at least the front legs of sofas and chairs resting on it. Neutral rugs with subtle patterns, natural fibers, or low-pile textures work beautifully. They visually connect the furniture and make the room feel larger, calmer, and more intentional. A generous rug instantly signals thoughtful design. If you're enjoying this video and love elegant, cozy home ideas, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't already, like this video and leave a comment telling me which decor item makes the biggest difference in your living room. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Statement coffee table styling. An expensive living room never leaves the coffee table empty, but it's never overcrowded either. The secret is curated simplicity. A stack of beautiful books, a ceramic bowl, a sculptural object, or a small floral arrangement instantly elevates the space. Stick to odd numbers and vary heights. Natural materials like stone, wood, glass, or ceramics add an organic, high-end feel. Think of the coffee table as a mini still life, subtle, intentional, and refined. Curtains hung high and wide. Window treatments are often underestimated, but they dramatically affect how expensive a room feels. Curtains should be hung high and wide, closer to the ceiling than the window frame. This visually raises the ceiling and makes the room feel grander. Choose full-length curtains in linen, cotton blends, or soft-textured fabrics. Even simple neutral curtains add elegance when they pull slightly at the floor. This one styling trick alone can transform a basic living room into a designer-looking space. a touch of green or organic life. Finally, every expensive living room needs something alive, or at least something that feels alive. Indoor plants, branches in a vase, or even high-quality faux greenery add softness and balance. Greenery breaks up hard lines, adds movement, and brings warmth to neutral interiors. Choose planters in ceramic, stone, or woven textures rather than plastic. One well-placed plant often looks more luxurious than several small ones scattered around. An expensive-looking living room isn't about perfection, it's about feeling. When lighting is warm, textures are layered, and every piece has a purpose, the space naturally feels refined and welcoming. Focus on quality over quantity, calm over clutter, and intention over trends. Thank you for spending this time with me on Beautiful Home. If this video inspired you, subscribe for more elegant, cozy ideas, and remember, true luxury always feels effortless.